I got another build video, I guess you could call it that. I got this. It's super light because there's no power supply. Among other things. There's no hard drive either. Yeah, no, nothing. And there's just a motherboard, processor, and then a DVD drive. I think that's it. Well, I'm gonna put a graphics card in it. Okay, so there's a little backstory on this, which I'll explain after I open this up. I sold my motherboard and processor from my main system because I bought a laptop, which there's a video on already. And I've used the laptop ever since. Hooked up to an external monitor, so it's 2 monitors or whatever, and it's great. But I still want something down here in my little workshop. I don't know. So I'm gonna switch the power supply and stuff, which I'm probably not gonna do on camera because it's gonna be hard to unscrew all this. And 4 gigs of RAM, DDR2. That's cool. So yeah, pretty up to date, kind of. The last gen, I guess you could call it, or 2 gens ago, because DDR4 is out now. Maybe it was a SATA drive. I don't know. It's a really stubby, short cable. Huh. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna take the power supply out and we'll switch it in a moment. So I got the power supply in. Oh, it was a pain. It wouldn't fit. I actually put it in upside down one time, and I noticed there was a fan and the screw holes didn't line up. Because I thought it was like weird where it had to go upside down, just because everything else was upside down in this case. But I got it in. I got all these cables I gotta figure out what to do with. And then, oh yeah, I got the SSD out of this system, so I'm gonna put that in here. Because I can't really do anything with IDE because I don't have IDE on the power supply because I didn't grab the cable when I bought this from someone. So SATA only, unless I get like an adapter, which I'm not doing. This fan's gonna go in the back. Will it fit? Hope so. Uh-oh. I don't know. Well, if it don't fit, I got a different one on. Fine. Bigger one, I guess. I don't know. Well, I'll put that in the back. Graphics cards. Let me grab it. I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to use the GTX 480 or the 6770, I believe. I can't remember. Pretty sure that's what it is. But I'm not sure which I'm going to use. This one's smaller. This one's bigger and gives me better performance. This is the exact case that Bitwit or Kyle he used for his I don't know what was his old name, I can't remember. Awesome Sauce or whatever, I don't know, whatever. But he used the same case for his system. He had a big huge graphics card, so I'm pretty sure I can use my GTX 480. Just gotta watch the temps, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna hook up all this stuff, all the wires, and then I'll plug in the graphics card, I guess. I don't know. So I got the GTX 480 in here. It's kind of big, and these wires are going to be in the way of the fan. I'm going to try the 6770. I think this will work a lot better just because it's way smaller. Yeah, it's way smaller. It looks like it'll work a lot better. I don't think I'm going to have any PCI cards, but if I do, I'll just put in the last one maybe. I don't know. So I think I'm going to use that one for now. Maybe switch it out. Kind of just depends. If I put a PCI card, I'll probably use this one because the other graphics card, because the fan will be back here. I'm not sure yet. So I'm going to use this for now just because, whatever. I'll probably do benchmarks and see which one has better performance to temps, I guess. So I guess I'm just going to use this one for now. Here's the back of it. Wait, did that go in? There we go, got it in. And this thing will get screwed onto here. Except that this is going to have to go on here. Actually, no, it's going to be this one, I guess. That's what it's going to have to be. Or something. I don't know. Oh, here we go. And then I'll put this thing on top. Oh, there's a screw for it. That'll go there. Just like that. do with the screwdriver in a moment. But yeah, then the SSD will have to get plugged in, and so will everything else. So I'll be back when that's all hooked up. Cable management is nowhere near perfect, but I think it worked out better with this graphics card, because if I had the other one, it'd be way out to like here, and I wouldn't be able to get cables through. So I'm glad I picked the card that I used. This cable is not one that comes off, so it's not one of the modular ones, but it's like a 4-pin for the motherboard, but this motherboard doesn't have it, so it's just in the back up there. I gotta hook up the SSD in a moment, and I need to buy like a nice mass storage hard drive that's SATA. All my other ones are IDE. I think I might have one more SATA, but I'm not sure. I think it's like a 60 or 80 gig, really small. It's a laptop one. So I'm gonna stick that in here. I don't know why it feels loose. Oh, it looks like the screws on loose or something. I don't really care. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to mount the SSD in there somehow. So I got the SSD in. It's kind of ghetto, but whatever. One screw leaning against the thing. I'm kind of bent, but whatever. Crooked. I changed it out from the short red one to this one because it had the L thing, so it would fit through that little hole. And then the front area, because it can fit 2 hard drives, this front one will be for like a mass storage when I get one. So I'm gonna stick this back in, I guess, and plug it all in, I guess. Well, it's pretty much done, besides the fan in the back. I'll hook that up later, because I don't think that fan's gonna work. I need to get a bigger one. The one probably in the Cooler Master N200 case will probably work. This is a little different. I had used the red cable because the turn wouldn't work, so it wouldn't go down there, but it works fine. Got all these, so I can put another hard drive in. So it's a mess. I'm gonna stand it up. See if anything falls out. Oh. There it is. This is, I guess you could call it a sleeper PC. I could probably put 6 gigs in this. I have a couple 2 gig sticks I'll probably put in here of DDR2. Try to max out the whole thing. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. Hope it works. Fan here, no fan in the front because there's no space. And it's an SSD, so it's really nothing to cool. This is just doing nothing up there, the CD or DVD drive or whatever. Since it's not SATA, and even if it was SATA, it'd be too hard because it's way up there and the cables are way down here with these short stubby cables from this power supply. That's the only downside of this OCZ one. So yep, that's really about it. I'm not even sure I can get this out either. This I was trying to figure it out, but I couldn't. I don't know. Might just be one. I don't know. I think it's locked in now. I really don't know. There we go. Okay, whatever. Thanks for watching. There'll be another video where I install Windows 10. I actually got it on a flash drive here instead of on a DVD, so I'm hoping it works a lot better. So, yep. Thanks for watching.